Okay, folks, so I just completed all of the rest of the courses that I needed to. Pretty much what I had 14, then I went down 16, then I dropped 2 loops to make 10, or I dropped 2 loops on either side to make 10. Then after 6 courses of that, I went to 12 loops by adding 1 loop to each side. Then I went to 14 loops across after 4 courses of the 12, and then I went 4 courses of that, and then I went to 16, and I did 44 total 16 wide courses of loops. And then, so I haven't cut the rope at all, and pretty much, so we have a flap that is 14 and 16. Then we have a tapering body. So this is what you're left with. Okay, it doesn't look like much, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So see, I still have my line going right here, and I still have an open loop. Okay, so pretty much now what you have to do, you have to take this and fold it up to the bottom of the flap. So here's our flap. You can see because the jut out's right here. Okay, so you just bring it up to it, and that will fold it in half officially. And then what you're gonna do is, this part gets kind of tricky. Sometimes it's easier to lay it in your lap, and to make sure that you get it right on the edge of that little ledge right there, and just set that right there. And you're gonna go through, there's little, so in between all of these there's a bigger hole. There's that one and all of these. So the outside holes right there, all of those outside holes we're going to use to stitch this thing together. I don't know what the proper word for it is, but so pretty much you just line up the 2 holes that match up with each other, and I stick my crochet hook through. It is a crochet hook, so I looked it up while I was getting bored. So I looked up what the proper name for this thing is, and it is called a crochet hook, and you can get them from Walmart. So anyways, you grab that and you hook your rope, bring it through both layers, and then bring your loop out the top and through your other loop. So now you have, that was the ending loop for your last course, and then this is the loop that you just brought through both. So again, you're gonna find, you'll notice that there's 2 courses that kind of go together, and it'll make like a pattern. So it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, I can't see it on there. Okay, here we go. So pretty much you're gonna have these 2 courses. You'll see that they stand out. Okay, so every 2 courses stands out. Well, in between those right here, there's a hole on the edge, and those are what we're going to use to stitch this thing up. Okay, so I'll just I'll get down to it, and then I'll show you the final product, I guess.